Hey all you nature files, we're here at Cronulla Beach today and I'm going to do the Esplanade via Oak Park walk. Why am I down here, you ask? Once again to pick up something, but while I'm here might as well check this out. So as always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. Come on, there was no way I was gonna walk by this bench and not give it a review. Look at that view, stunning, right? Seat might be a bit warm in summer though, so if you're in shorts, probably avoid it. Let's continue. So I'm here at Dharawal Park now, and that was the Esplanade walk via Oak Park. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. As you can see, it was a beautiful coastal walk in the Sutherland Shire. Stunning sea views and plenty of swimming spots. Recommend you come check it out for yourself though, because I don't think I did it justice. Anyway, since it's a there and back, I'm not going to catch you the way back because it's mostly stuff you've seen already. As always, I hope you enjoyed that. Take care of yourselves, take care of nature, it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, gorgeous people. Bye.